Oh,
Hi, I'm so sorry to keep you waiting.
no problem. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks. Hi, I'm Janisha. What's your name?
I'm Sultan from Saudi Arabia.
Lovely, lovely to meet you, Sultan. Thank you for reserving a spot with me. You said you really enjoy reading books in your spare time. Are you reading a book at the moment?
Yes, I am reading a book.
What's it called?
It has a very long title. Let me try. 20 things which mentally strong people do not do. That is the
Wow.
title.
Wow. Okay. So that sounds like a very a crazy book. There must be a lot of information in this book. I think that
Exactly.
yeah, that it's very difficult probably to have a 12-minute conversation about. Um, but how's the book so far?
It is amazing. And almost 50% I have read.
Wow,
And I can connect myself with the book.
nice.
And there were some questions in my mind, or there were things which were bothering me. So I somehow found out some answers from that book.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. It's a really nice feeling when a book is able to do that for you. Have you ever heard about this phrase where people say that sometimes you don't find the book, but the book finds you?
I have never heard of it,
Have you
but it's an amazing, amazing phrase.
Yeah, I think it has some meaning to it, and I felt like that sometimes when I've read some books.
Exactly.
Yeah. So would you say this book is definitely one of those that it's found you at the right time, maybe?
Yes, and all of the books which I have read so far, they have helped me in one way or other. All those books have definitely broadened my knowledge, and I have learned uh, different things from different books. So most of the time, whatever I do, I like to take inspiration or knowledge from the books.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think that's when you know that, that this book has kind of found you, I think, when you can apply it to your life in any way, even if it's, not the whole book, even if it's just a small part from a small like chapter, um, you know,
Yes, I totally agree with you. And it can be like there is one sentence which can change your whole life.
Absolutely. I completely agree with you. And I feel like this at the moment with, you may have read this book actually. It's called Sapiens, Homo Sapiens.
One of my friend
Yeah.
recommended me this book.
Okay.
I downloaded it, but I couldn't read it completely. I just read few pages. That's all.
Oh, why? Why didn't you continue reading it? What was it?
Maybe I didn't like it, or I didn't take interest in it. That's why.
Oh no. Okay. Yeah, it is a book. I think this situation happened to me. I've had this book for quite a long time now. But I think
Hmm.
when I started it at the beginning, same situation. I read a bit and then I put it down. But I picked it up again, and I'm almost done with it. And I think you just need to give it another go.
I will try then. I will
Definitely.
try it again.
Yeah, because just relating to what we're talking about, it really does open your mind to a lot of things, especially about the fact that we have not been on this earth for that long. And yeah, it kind of like it makes you zoom out on this timeline of the history that's happened already, and where we're heading in the future.
Okay, so there are some predictions about future as well.
Yeah, he doesn't go into that much detail because he's written another book, which focuses more on the future, like from now to the future.
It sounds interesting.